Hi everybody, thanks for coming today. There is something I wanted to show you. I have developed a new project, and my project is to make 100 collages, torn paper collages. And I've got a good start, and I'm up to 35. And so I wanted to show you the ones that I did yesterday. So thanks for watching. This is 31. And I'm finding that I'm doing them very quickly without deliberating very much, making quick decisions. And I find that you get better at things just by doing them. It's not like you have to put a lot of thought into things. You just keep doing it and you get better. And so that's been my experience, and I'm having a great time working on these. So anyway, here's starting tomorrow. Thanks a lot for taking some time to watch this short video today. I'm heading out. I'm going to do some more gluing and pasting today, and you should try it too. Cut paper and torn paper collages are fun to do. They develop your ability to make decisions quickly. They develop your sense of composition and colors and lights and darks, and they do all kinds of good things. You can do them quickly, cheaply, and give it a try. They're great. So until next time, see you later. Bye.